Good morning, students. Today we will continue exercise 5.6. So let us see question number 11. Question number 11 is we have to differentiate under root a square minus x square upon a square plus x square. Let us suppose this function is equal to y. So differentiating with respect to x. So firstly we can write it y is equal to a square minus x square upon a square plus x square to the power 1 by 2. Remove the sign of root, write it in the exponential form, so we can write 1 by 2. Now we have to differentiate it. So dy dx of y. What is outer function? That is the power. So firstly we have to differentiate the power function. So how we can differentiate? Using this result n into x to the power n minus 1. What is n here? 1 by 2. N is 1 by 2. And what is x? This bracket is x. So right here n is 1 by 2. Then a square minus x square upon a square plus x square. This is x. Power n minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 x to the power n minus 1. So derivative of power function is over. Now we have to differentiate this inner function. D by dx of a square minus x square upon a square plus x square. So 1 by 2 a square minus x square upon a square plus x square minus 1 by 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1. How we will differentiate this function? So we will apply here quotient rule. We have to apply here quotient rule to differentiate it. What is quotient rule? Square of the denominator. So a square plus x square whole square. A square plus x square whole square. Square of the denominator. Then write denominator a square plus x and derivative of numerator a square minus numerator a square minus x square into derivative of denominator a square plus x square minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Let us simplify it. So it is 1 by 2. Make the power positive, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So we have to take the reciprocal here. A square plus x square upon a square minus x square to the power plus 1 by 2. A square plus x square whole square. A square plus x square whole square. Right here a square plus x square. Derivative of a square minus x square. A square is constant, so its differentiation will be 0. And x square derivative is 2x, so minus 2x. Minus a square minus x square into a square derivative is 0, x square is 2. Right here. 1 by 2 a square plus x square to the power 1 by 2 upon a square minus x square to the power 1 by 2. Here we see that 2x is common in both. So take 2x common. Take 2x common. What we will get? Minus sign is there. Minus a square plus x square minus a square minus x. 2x is common. A square plus x square minus sign is there. Take 2x common. So minus a square minus x square. Whole upon a square plus x square to the power. We can cancel this. Okay. So here a square plus x square 1 by 2. Here a square plus x square power 2. If we take it downside, then this one is cancelled, and here we can get 3 by 2. We can get 3 by 2. When we will take it into the denominator, it will be a square plus x square 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. So x, open this bracket, minus a square minus x square minus a square plus x square whole upon, it can be written under root a square minus x square. Under root a square minus x square. Power is 1 by 2, so under root. And this one a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2. So minus x square plus x square cancel. Minus a square minus a square. It is minus 2a square and into x. So we can write minus 2a square x whole upon under root a square minus x square into a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2. So it was question number 11. Now we will see question number 14. Question number 14. So let us see question number 14. Question number 14 first. Let y is equal to under root a plus x minus a minus x upon under root a plus x plus a minus x. A plus x minus a minus x root a plus x plus root a minus x. Question number 14. Firstly, rationalize it. Multiply numerator and denominator by root a plus x minus a minus x upon root a plus x plus a minus x. Multiply both numerator and denominator by what? by root a plus x minus a minus x. Root a plus x minus root a minus x. So multiply both numerator and denominator by this. So what will be this product numerator? It will be root a plus x minus a minus x whole square. Okay, root a plus x minus root a minus x 2 times, so we can write whole square. And here we can apply a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So root a plus x square minus root a minus x whole square. Use here a minus b whole square identity. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So what will be a square? When we will take the square of root a plus x, we have to remove the root. So only a plus x plus a square plus b square. B square will be a minus x minus 2ab. So 2 under root a plus x into under root a minus x. A square a plus x, b square a minus 2ab. And here a square minus b square, so remove the root sign. A plus x minus in bracket a minus x. So here plus x minus x cancel. So we can get y is equal to a plus a 2a, a plus a 2a minus 2 under root a plus x into a minus x. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So we will write under root a square minus x square whole upon a plus x, open the bracket, a plus x minus a plus x. So minus a plus a. Take 2 common. So we can get a minus under root a square minus x square upon 2x. Take 2 common. A minus under root a square minus x square upon 2x. Cancel. So we will get y is equal to a minus under root a square minus x square upon x. So this is the simplification. Now we have to differentiate it. Now we have to differentiate it. So how we will differentiate? Using quotient rule, we can differentiate. Right, dy by dx is equal to, what is quotient rule? Square of denominator. Denominator is x, so x square. Then x into derivative of numerator, a minus under root x into denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Numerator a minus under root a square minus x square into derivative of denominator x. X. What is derivative of a? A is constant, derivative will be 0. What will be derivative of a square under root a square minus x square? So it will be 1 by 2 a square minus x square to the power minus 1 by 2 into minus 2x. Derivative of under root a square minus x square, we will write 1 by 2 a square minus x square to the power minus 1 by 2 into minus 2x minus a minus under root a square minus x square. And what is derivative of x with respect to x? 1 whole upon x square. Okay. How I have written here, derivative of this one is this. So let us see how we have written here. Derivative of root a square minus x square. Derivative of root a square minus x square, we have written like this. So how it came? Firstly remove the root, so it will be power 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2. Use chain rule. Firstly we have to differentiate the power function, then inner function. So we know that what d by dx x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus. So here n is 1 by 2. So we will write 1 by 2. X is what? This one. A square minus x square. This is x. And n minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1. Into derivative of inner function. So inner function a square minus x square. A square is constant. So its derivative will be 0. Minus x square derivative is 2x. So 1 by 2 minus 1, it will be minus 1 by 2. So we have written here minus 1, here minus sign. So 1 by 2 a square minus x square to the power minus 1 by 2 into 0 minus 2x minus 2. So minus into minus, we can cancel this 2 with 2. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. And x into x. X into x, x square. Take it downside, so it will be under root a square minus x square. A square minus x square to the power minus 1 by 2. Take it downside, make the power positive. So we can write under root a square minus x, 1 upon under root minus a minus under root a square minus x square whole upon x square. Right, x square. Take LCM and simplify it. So it will be x square minus under root a square minus x square into a minus under root a square minus x square into this bracket upon under root a square minus x square. So it will come in the denominator upon under root a square minus x square. So x square, open the bracket, minus a into under root a square minus x. Minus into minus plus a square minus x square into under root a square minus x square. Under root a square minus x square into under root a square minus x square. So we will remove the sign of root. Whole upon x square into under root a square minus. So this x square minus x square, x square minus x square cancel. We can take a common from the numerator. So take a common from the numerator. We will get 1a from here and minus under root a square minus x square whole upon x square into a square minus. This is answer. Under root x square. So a in bracket a minus under root a square minus x square whole upon x square into under root a square minus x square. So it was question number 14. Now we will see question number 15. Let us see question number 15. Question number 15. It is given fx is equal to under root sec x minus 1. Under root sec x minus 1 upon sec x plus 1. We have to find f dash pi by 3. F dash pi by 3. Firstly find f dash x. Firstly we have to find f dash x, then f dash pi by 3. F dash x means derivative of fx. So let us simplify this one. Sec x means 1 by cos x minus 1. 1 by cos x plus 1. Take LCM here. So it will be 1 minus cos x upon cos x. And it will be 1 upon cos x upon cos x cancel. Under root 1 minus cos x upon cos x, 1 plus cos x upon cos x. So fx is equal to root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos. Again we can simplify it. Write the formula of cos x in terms of sine. And here in the denominator cos x formula in terms of cos. We know that cos x is 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. Cos x is 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2 in terms of sine. Upon, and cos x formula is 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 in terms of cos. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. When we will open the bracket, 1 minus 1 cancel, minus minus plus. So under root 2 sine square x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2. So 2 x. You can note it, cos x is 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. And it is also equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Sine square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2. So it will be tan square x by 2. Take square root. So tan x by 2. Tan x by 2. Fx is equal to tan x by 2. Now differentiate it. F dash x. So here function of function, outer function is tan, inner function is x by 2. So differentiate tan. Tan x differentiation is sec square. So sec square x by 2 into dy dx of x by 2. Firstly, we have to differentiate 10, after that xy. So it is sec square x by 2. 1 by 2 is constant. 1 by 2 is constant. Differentiation of x is 1. So it is 1 by 2 sec square x by 2. This is f dash x. F dash x is 1 by 2 sec square x by 2. So f dash x derivative is over. Now we have to find f dash pi by 3. Write 1 by 2 sec square x is pi by 3. Pi by 3 upon 2. Pi by 3 upon 2. So 1 by 2 sec square. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. 60 upon 2 is 30 degree. So sec square 30 degree. What is the value of sec 30? What is the value of sec 30? So it is 2 by root 3. So 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3 square. Sec 30 value is 2 upon root 3. So 1 by 2, 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, 2 2 are 4. So what is its value? 2 upon 3. So it was question number 15. Let us see question number 17. See question number 17. It is given y is equal to root x plus 1 by root x. To prove, we have to prove that 2x dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 root x. We have to prove this result. It means firstly we have to find dy by dx. So y is equal to root x means x to the power 1 by 2. Root here 1 by root x, we can write x to the power minus 1 by 2. So differentiate. What will be dy by dx? It will be 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. And this one minus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Using this result, x to the power n, like this. So here power is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. Here power is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 into x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Subtract. It will be minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 2 minus 1. Minus 3 by 2. Okay. Take 1 by 2 common. X to the power minus 1 by 2 minus x to the power minus 3 by 2. And it is dy by dx. Cross multiply. 2 dy by dx is equal to x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus x to the power minus 3 by 2. We want 2 into x, 2x dy by dx. Here 2 dy by dx. So multiplying both sides by x. Multiplying both sides by x. So it is 2x dy by dx is equal to x into in bracket x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus x to the power minus 3 by 2. So multiply it. Multiply it. So 2x dy by dx is equal to x into x to the power minus 1 by 2. Here power is 1, here minus 1 by 2. So what will come? 1 minus 1 by 2 means x to the power 1 by 2. Minus, here power is 1, here minus 3 by 2. So 1 minus 3 by 2. 2 and 2 minus 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. It can be written root x minus, take it downside, it can be written 1 by root x. So this is the value of 2x dy by dx. Now take left hand side. Take left hand side. 2x dy by dx plus y. What is 2x dy by dx? This one. Root x minus 1 by root x. 2x dy by dx is root x minus 1 by root x. And what is y? Y is root x plus 1 by root x. Root x plus minus 1 by root x plus 1 by root x cancel. Root x into root x. 2 root x, that is right side. So it is proved. Right hand side it is. So take one more question, question number 18. Question number 18. It is given y is equal to under root 1 minus sine 2x upon 1 plus sine 2x. We have to prove that dy by dx plus sec square pi by 4 minus x is equal to 0. Firstly, we will simplify it. 1, it can be written cos square x plus sin square. And sin 2x we can write 2 sin x cos x. We know that cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So in place of 1 write cos square x plus sin square x. And sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. And here cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x. A square plus b square minus 2ab. We can write cos x minus sin x whole square. And denominator a square plus b square plus 2ab. Whole square. Take square root. So cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. Okay. In next step, we will divide both numerator and denominator by cos x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos x. So cos upon cos, 1 minus sin upon cos tan x. Cos x divided by cos x, 1. Sin x divided by cos x, tan x. Divide numerator by cos x. So cos upon cos, 1. Sin upon cos, tan. Divide denominator by cos x. Cos upon cos, 1. Sin x upon cos x, tan x. One can be written tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. We know that tan pi by 4 value is 1. So in place of 1, write tan pi by 4 minus tan x, 1 plus 1 into tan x. So tan pi by 4 is 1, 1 into tan x, tan x. This is the formula of tan a minus b. It is the formula of tan a minus b. Tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. So we can write it tan a minus b. A is what? Pi by 4 minus x. Tan a minus b. Tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. B is x here, a is pi by 4. It is y. Now simplification is done. Let us start differentiation. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx. What is the outer function here? Tan. So firstly we have to differentiate tan. In place of x, this bracket is there. So differentiation of tan is sec square. So it will be sec square pi by 4 minus x. And then d by dx of the inner function. This. Firstly differentiate this outer function tan, sec square pi by 4 minus x. Then differentiate this pi by 4 minus x with respect to. So sec square pi by 4 minus x. Differentiate here. Pi by 4 is constant. Pi by 4 is constant. Its differentiation is 0. Minus differentiation of x is 1. So dy by dx is equal to minus, we can write minus sec square pi by 4 minus x. Transpose it on the left side. Transpose it, it will become plus sec square pi by 4 minus x is equal to right side. This result we have to prove. So it is proved. So it was question number 18 of exercise 5.6. So try to do the remaining questions yourself. Any doubt you can ask. So today we have completed exercise 5.6. Okay, thank you class.